And in business, what Mirkanen coordinators, me and Arua, Emyooga Sako, Magin Giti Wani, Emyooga Sako, Migitika performing Maber, Titualka Kenyo Erani, and performance Pasako under the Emyooga program, Arua City, Wani Team Maber, Titual, despite the challenges. And according to reporter Mamekwa, Makilwoni Edina, PH, Ma Ene Uchoyo story, and Iwa Erani part. What do you think? Emyooga.
Emyooga katika performing Maber, we should see impact in terms of ala kwa padano.
Yes.
PMK in watching Emyooga is performing well and the people are still behaving like gene dongilo chandlo wang. It doesn't show. Ingeni get ma anga kwa yata kanongo chene no mironene kita roke kwede kita beru kwede kita kwa nanti kwede. Eraka en inchieli en inti ata watching tika la kwa padano. Impact we should be given tika la kwa padano. Poverty levels ikumalame Uganda take a dropping kajatika increasing. La chenye kwa ini the GDP the gross product mamego mete by 1%. Poverty levels aki ya Pierio kumenongwa dua poverty by about 21%. When are we clocking 30? Ni wachini poverty level don't tumo. Watika mbachini katika tum kwa malaka chenjui no mirberi kanene kwa padana matingo ite dero. Endo piki beruka bolo chene Emyooga kono PDM kono nginango chene binu eto chene petika lako kwa. That for me doesn't make sense.
That's where my argument is basically because Emyooga project at the time I know which are elections May 2021 during elections, and to some people they felt like Emyooga project was political and perhaps that is what we got on ground. Yana wajib block madano tika tamone. Dano cannot tamone. It was one way my NRM party wanted to sell itself on ground. Because one, first of all, and at the time I know kitika composing these Emyooga groups and money. Kong dano Paul peki fonyo gi kong to understand what Emyooga is even about. Mario Kayabo bank account kene was another hurdle. Because I remember that time I know kichaka kene Emyooga was in his Zombo district. Mene anoni a sub-county ngarmo maaki sub-county ex kukuchet to access kerbo mirgi yapi bank account. That was another biggest hurdle madano berutie kere. So basically, and with all these other projects more long about Emyooga, Kuberitiki PDM, we remember we had the presidential initiative on Matoke, bene wabedo ki president the poverty eradication. But so many, but still the poverty levels. What is the challenge? Is it the leadership? Is it nidano kikome magere pegitika understanding project magamento tika katikere?
Chenjui kake lokum projects makikaro ikumalame Uganda kenero no SAF 1, no SAF 2, no SAF 3. Petie gangmo ikumalame Uganda magikok kubenimunye luanya chuli. Let me use that local example. Project makiberu katere kumalame Uganda kan naturally take DL. Almost every family no DL latien kijmatieni. Ofan projects matika miyojimi ofan dua ta ke poko DL ke poko pegu makano pegu ne ke gwa kano actually wang tiko pegu. Actually wang tiko gweno. Actually wang tiko DL. Ke kelo DL mano urere goyo no itu ke nena wache ne pekwo. Nena dia di mono ke charo. Nena dia di mono ke charo. Diang ma ke kelo ke me dano ke charo. Poverty la mal down mere hard cash. Tank meaning anything quantifiable. Gen la michene. La michene. How are you going to chase poverty? I normally be take a lot of down trial. I've seen small projects by MPs. What take a lot of down trial? Kibiru ki made family money guanapa. If I
can still not educate my children,
you cannot change your life.
Because changing my life means I should be able to access the basic needs in life. And the basic needs is about shelter, is about health, is about education. And if I cannot get those, for me, those are the most important three.
Jomone biro with the false ideology ni wa mero minu chene. Eto chene maketika kelweni pero mo oeching an mana mera planning mabene ka no chene chale Emyooga gani. Aket ke biar cara ake biar cara na romo welo cham ilo tiena e biar cara ene a romo chulu chene ene ben manare e biar cara ene a romo chulu tiena gankwan e biar cara ene a romo ter oyat ka kuma late health ente noni ki biro ki kilo filters genye ene mere ma wiye ni chena tie kumbeti wano tika woni chena tie kwe kitika mi milion achiel e sako ni uchitim kichi
but Emyooga, I think I'm paying to add on your conversation. We met Kenya Ernie. What is the difference between Emyooga and PDM? Because Emyooga it aimed to uplifting at least 68% of Ugandans from subsistence to market-oriented production. What is the difference?
Kewache, no SAF 1, no SAF 2, no SAF 3, poke la laga WANG uberu ki chene mwa kikwe OPM chene terkwe o dok chen borotela don wando ken gang wo wunyi ni chene uberu tie airport na ko are Emyooga 1 Emyooga 2 Emyooga 3 PDM wa kumir mate loke nga gi magati chamo chene pelotela ti cher ken gang lu ken gang magati no chene kiti wala ken gang romo cher der chino le mi ario group mon romo der no chene ento chene mati parish ti million pier de ko
do you remember the youth gain development fund?
We had the youth livelihood fund.
The youth livelihood fund. What would happen now? Let me tell you the scenario for youth livelihood fund. I have to blame now the communities are Ugandans. Ki miyo chanta mabe ki daro ki arado nyo ki vulu eneni ki chara ki no chanta eneni like for a case of some of the people in Alurland who do God marry inang ken dano nyomo awiya jamu nyomo mon kulita deru kenyo dako kenyo. You can imagine.
Nyom piraj.
But using the youth livelihood fund, making miyo ngarmo chero gamu cente. But you see tomorrow is happening in
any way. Ka ana gama cente pagamenta nyomo ki dao. Roma kila politician mon mati minister mon mo kwado barni.
No. But
am change your way ka tika adong. O ye looking gang but go cham chene pagamente iyo magen gitamni.
So are you trying to justify ni kuo is right?
Kichakon kimalo kitie kuo kimalo ka kiduk pain.
Malo nani, what are we talking about? Are we talking about the president or are we talking about the speaker? When you talk about Malo, you people, ananeno the chief bagere pa lukuo erni. Ma enen wilukuo. In newspapers I've seen her and she's nabanja tika waini lukuo no miero kudu akma bati but she's the chief kirmani kwalba bati and it went through her office ko so is she the one you're meaning or you're meaning the president
kai chero gulu kao mamegwa kiti mamegi magen gidor chene pa vulu community development officers gen bena ge kwalo chene kanongo kwanyo miliona chiel ke miliona chiel ke kwalo miliona chiel era tika tuye vulu mone tika tuye nati o tika weko jomo kwalo million chiel ene petit